Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Facebook. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings and open Security and Login. Make sure you're on a device you control and not a public Wi-Fi spot. Have your current password ready because Facebook will ask you to confirm ownership. This prevents unwanted changes. If you use two-factor authentication, grab your phone or an authenticator app now. Once done, you'll be ready to add or edit contact methods and move immediately to changing your ID or password. You'll add a new email or phone first, because Facebook often requires a confirmed recovery contact before letting you change your ID. Once the new contact is verified, edit your username under your profile or account settings. Facebook enforces length and character rules, so pick an available, simple ID. Next, change your password in Security and Login. Enter your current password, then a strong new one, long, unique, and memorable. Make sure to save changes, and consider storing the password in a manager for safety. After saving, verify every change by clicking confirmation links sent to your email or entering the SMS code. This completes the update. Then review Security and log in right arrow where you're logged in and log out of any unfamiliar devices to block access. Update recovery options and backup codes and test signing out and back in with your new username and password. If something goes wrong, like a missing verification email, use Account Recovery, check spam folders, and follow Facebook's identity verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.